Just look how close I am to this bird. It's right there. It's at least a good 8 feet away. It's going farther. Like, right here. I could probably hit my sandal if I wanted to. But I don't think I do. Like, this bird, he just picked something up over there. I don't know what it was. I'm gonna throw my sandal at it, okay? I'm not a bird abuser. I like birds. They're pretty cool. And I almost hit him. There he is. Not sure if y'all can see him. Ow. No, I don't really. I like Nikes, I guess. Oh, there he is, over by the bird. He's gone. But as I was saying, I was 5 feet away from that bird. 5 feet. Sitting there on my porch, and he's. Alright, I'm going to show you guys. Remember, he's on a skateboard. He's on a skateboard. I'm right here. See how close that is? Should threw my sandal at him when it was close. And there comes another one. Oh, and by the way, my friend, he just picked up a baby bird from right there. That was just the other day. And I got me a nice little fidget spinner. I'm going to try to get a good spin. I don't think I can. Fuck. I said spin. Alright, well clearly, let me just say you guys. Down. Ugh. It's not funny. Alright, I want to see this on camera. Oh man, it's wobbly. It's so fuckered up, man. As you can see, it looks like it's going slower and it stopped moving. I nutted myself. I missed the ball. I mean, not the ball. It looks like I'm on drugs, like some like hardcore like acid, bro. Like it's like whoa, like it's so messed up. Like my stomach hurts really bad.